Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix media won't import to DaVinci Resolve. So this problem will be if DaVinci Resolve doesn't accept your video format. So for example, it accepts MP4 and so on and so forth, but we can look at, for example, for Mac OS, this is what they accept. You can look through them. As you can see, MOV, MKV, and MP4. Now for the Windows, this is the formats they accept, as you can see. And if the format would be like a web or something like so, then they will not accept it. And all you have to do is go to cloudconvert.com, file converter, select the file, and basically choose a video and choose a format they accept. So for example, the best would be MP4 or MKV. Basically choose just a MP4 and convert it. And after that, you will be able to import it to import this media to DaVinci Resolve.